Before use, please check whether the items in the box are complete. If there is something missing, please contact AGR or your dealer in time. For indoor charging, please use a special indoor power input line. And a plug is a national standard 10A plug. Pay attention not to put any blocking objects on the dustproof board. Before charging, please check whether there is any foreign matter on the copper sheet of the adapter. If there is any foreign matter, please clean it with a cotton swab. Otherwise it will cause poor contact and cause a short circuit of the battery. Use the 10A mains input line to connect the charger interface. Connect the battery, plug in the power supply, press the power switch button of the charger. The charger completes the self-test and the charger LCD panel displays the battery information of the corresponding channel. When the current starts to rise, it means that start charging. The charger will charge the battery in sequence from high to low and automatically switch to another battery when fully charged. There are two left and right pause continue charging buttons on the charger panel. Short press the left button to suspend charging for the left channel battery and long press to resume charging. Short press the right button to pause charging for the right channel battery and long press to resume charging. Turn off the power switch of the charger, unplug the plug and disconnect the battery. For the use of outdoor chargers, please refer to the video installation and use of generators.